Welcome to the Bigger Brains course on Mastering Excel 2019. My name is Kathy Johns. I'm Microsoft certified and I've been teaching Office courses for over 20 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for people with a basic knowledge of Microsoft Windows who want to learn beginner Excel 2019 skills to create and modify spreadsheets. We'll start with an overview of navigating inside the Excel interface and then move on to creating and saving basic workbooks. We'll walk through entering and selecting cell data and using flash fill and autofill to quickly generate information. Next, we'll create basic formulas and insert commonly used functions such as sum and average. We'll also look at the difference between relative and absolute references and the impact that has on your functions. From there, we'll talk through tips for inserting, deleting, and adjusting rows and columns, as well as using the find and replace features. Of course, we have to learn how to spell check our spreadsheets as well. Then, we'll spend some time learning how to apply text and number formats and how you can use styles and themes to streamline your formatting. We'll also cover the basics of conditional formatting. Then, I'll show you how to create and use your own templates so you can spend less time creating workbooks and more time analyzing your data. Of course, you may need to print your workbook, so we'll look at setting up the page layout, adding headers and footers, and using the scaling tools to adjust your settings. In our last section, you'll learn how to manage multiple worksheets, take advantage of available view options, and use workbook properties. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be comfortable using Excel to create your own workbooks and analyze your data.